of us.
Father, how do you see this hate speech bill which has been passed?
I have made a statement to say that in a way that not because of the government or this government, hate speech in any society is a blot in the community. To make hateful references of a particular society, of a particular religion, of a particular group of people is always bad. Is always bad. And many a time, the leader, because of his stature, because of his popularity, when he makes such statements, it has effect on the public, on the people that have voted him to power, the people among whom he is a little more famous. And that influences the people also, sometimes incites them to violence. And that is the consequence of the hate speech. And so I have said that the bill, whoever has passed it, whichever government would pass it, is always good, because hate speech destroys the community, destroys the harmony in the community, and therefore it is not good. But on the other hand, if the government in power uses this hate speech bill in order to target a few people, in order to perhaps take actions on highly critical of certain things, this is also not correct. It is not correct. Hate speech is for the sake of people, especially minorities who have suffered because of the hateful remarks. That should be removed. But then don't make use of this bill to teach a lesson to the others, to arrest the others without reason, etc. This is also not correct.